Maintenance detail on this F-150. It's been sitting outside. We've had some rain. We've had a bit of a windy day too, or over the last couple of days at least. So there's a lot of pollen that's been floating around. We can kind of see that sitting on the surface of the vehicle. Kind of see that water spotting sitting there. The dirt encapsulated inside. The truck is protected with a ceramic coating, so this should be easy enough to clean. I think we're going to start off with an APC, mixing a little bit of soap into that APC just to increase the cleaning action. Drop that into the bottom section of the vehicle, onto the wheels, onto the tires. We're going to rinse that off. We're then going to do a rinseless wash, which on this, I reckon probably in an hour and a half, we should be done. So we're going to get onto this and then kind of show the final results when done. All right, maintenance done. Total time, about an hour and 20 minutes. See that we've conquered the dirt. We've got some glass back. So just to reiterate, we did an APC wash at the bottom with a little bit of soap just to add some more cleanser to it. We did a rinseless wash. We've then dried it. We used a drying aid. Drying aid has some SiO2 properties in it, so it's adding some ceramic protection on top of the existing ceramic that's already there. So we're nice and clean. Doesn't take long. Lovely, jubbly, as they would say.